Hi, I'm Mr. Green. I'm Head of French at Bishop Wordsworth School. Here I'm going to tell you about the A-level in French, what each lesson would look like, how we assess it, and the sort of support that we can give you in transitioning from GCSE to A-level. So every week you'd have 8 periods of French lessons. That's 4 with Madame Campling and 4 with Madame Goth. And just like in a GCSE lesson, you'll cover the 4 main skill areas, so reading, listening, writing and speaking. But on top of that as well, we do some topic work on the topics of the A-level French, as well as some work on a book, which is L'Étranger, and some work on the film La Haine, which are really interesting topics and different from the GCSE. So the transition from GCSE to A-level is a big concern that most students have when they're starting the A-level course. So because we have quite small class sizes, we'll get to know you really well, we'll get to know your strengths and weaknesses, and we can tailor our teaching towards that. So we're here to support that transition. The first few terms are grammar focused, so we see what your GCSE grammar's like, we build on that before we go on to the topic work. Okay, so why study French? As well as the outstanding teaching that we offer you and the sort of individual support that I've already mentioned, our pass rates are extremely high at A-level French. Also, obviously, taking French opens the door to travelling the world and travelling French-speaking countries, and also British companies are looking for people who've got an A-level in modern languages. It sort of sets you ahead of the rest. On top of this, a large number of our A-level students go on to study languages at university, which shows that not only do they come in with a passion for French, but they also leave with a passion for French too. So the next few slides sort of show us a few details about the course. So we've got the book, L'Étranger. That's the textbook that we use on the left-hand side there, the Hodder AQA A-level French book. We encourage pupils to buy their own book where possible, so they can annotate as they need to. Here's some details about the exam, so how it's going to be assessed. So paper 1 is a listening, reading and writing paper, which is made up of mainly comprehension and translations. Paper 2 involves writing 2 essays, one on L'Étranger and one on La Haine. And then the speaking exam is made up of a picture card, which they will discuss with their examiner, and then the independent research project, which involves you looking at a small aspect of French society and doing some research and a project based on this to discuss with the examiner in the exam. So if you have a look now through these slides, we're showing some of the topic areas that are covered. So year 12 tends to be more social elements, things like film, things like diversity and the sort of changing structure of the family. Whereas in year 13, you're looking at kind of wider issues that might affect society, politics, history, the role of young people in society. This is the AQA specification that we follow, so it's well worth having a look at the AQA website to get more details on the A-level French course.
My favourite thing that we've studied so far has been the book and the movie. So the book we're studying is called L'Étranger, and the movie we're studying is called La Haine, and they've both been really interesting to study, and I've learned a lot from it. And hopefully French will be involved in my future, as I would hopefully like to work or study in Europe or maybe in France one day.
For more information on the A-level French, do check out the BWS website, which has got all the details about the exam specifications that we do, and also have a look at the BWS MFL Instagram page, which is updated on a regular basis.